This is the directory that we will be reading. So this directory consists of an empty directory. It is an empty folder. This is a this is an empty bit image, and this is the Python file that we are going to write, and this is an empty text file. So there are total three files in this directory, and an empty directory that is present inside this directory in which our Python file is present. So what we will do is that first of all we will import the OS module, import OS, and give the path of the directory that we want to read. Now we will simply print all the files and directories present inside this OS directory. So we will use the list dir function of OS module. Save this file, go to our so as you can see, we have got our bit image file, empty directory dir underscore temp4, and this is the Python file which we wrote to find the name of all the directories and files present inside this directory, that is the OS directory. And this is the third text file, that is the file. This is a text file. So to summarize this video, we have simply imported the OS module, selected the directory, that is the path from which we want to read the files and directory, and we have used list dir function of OS module to get the names of all the files and directories present inside the desired path, that is the desired folder.